Good morning, dear students. We are going to see now 11th lesson, Be a good speaker. Standard 5th, 11th lesson, Be a good speaker. Some people are good speakers, some are shy, some speak easily with their friends and relatives but become nervous in front of a big audience. What about you? It is important to be able to speak well, and if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. So dear students, this lesson is telling about how to speak with others. We must be respectful when we are speaking with others. So let us see what we have to do. Remember these few things when you speak. Speak clearly, don't mumble. Look at the person or persons when you talk to them. You should not be too loud or too soft, too fast or too slow. Be polite and be pleasant. Give a thought to the other person's feelings and interests. So dear students, when you speak with others, what we have to do is, we have to speak clearly. We must not speak in mouth, that is called mumbling. Okay, we have to be clear. Okay, when we are talking with person, we have to look at them, we have to listen to them, we must respect them, we must be polite. And when we are talking, we have to be loud and clear, we have to be soft, we have to be very slow, not to go very fast. When you take part in a discussion, don't keep talking all the time, let others speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. So when we are talking, we must not talk much. Okay, we must talk limited. Let others also put forth their feelings. Let others also talk. We must give chance others to talk. We must show interest when others are talking. When you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. Okay, when we are liking others' ideas, when we are liking others speaking, do tell them that what you have spoken is correct. I am agree with that. Do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. So you have to share your own thoughts and ideas with others. If you know something better, don't keep it in yourselves. We have to put forth front of others. If you are not understanding anything, you must ask them politely. Use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation and give them. Okay, so you have to be very polite in words and expression. You must show expressions. Okay, you must be polite when you want to interrupt someone. If you want to make someone interested in you, you have to use easy language or you have to use polite language. And if you don't understand, you have to ask them explanation. Okay, when you want to give a speech, plan your speech in advance. Note the points and arrange them properly. So suppose if you want to give a speech, what you have to do, you have to plan it in advance. In advance means before. And suppose you are giving today, then no need to prepare today itself. When you have to prepare 2 or 3 days before. If you prepare 1 day early also is okay, but at the spot or at a time must not do that. Note the points. Okay, what you are going to say, you have to note it, arrange them properly, and rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. So you have to talk into your mind. Okay, what you are going to say, you have to plan it and then you have to perform it. So dear students, when you are doing something or when you are speaking to somebody, so what you have to do is, you have to speak properly. You should be clear, you should be polite. Okay, use very easy language, and you must give explanation, and you must ask explanation from others. Then only you will be able to talk. And when you are talking, no need to be nervous, we must be confident. Thank you.